Needed that. Good afternoon, all. It is dead on midday here in Adelaide, Australia, on Sunday, the 15th of August. Can't believe we're halfway through August. Sorry, I've got a sticky throat, and it's not sitting well with me. Needed that too. Partying, I know, it's a bad habit. Look at that day. Look at that day. I can actually almost taste spring, which means the hot weather will be coming, which we're all not looking forward to. And yeah, the lawns got mowed this week, and unfortunately my brother, because of that, he's done his back in. Oh, poor thing. My plans got drastically changed today. All that permapine wood at the back there and those wine barrels are going to be picked up by somebody today, but she just messaged me and said that she's not coming. So according to my brother, one of my mum's garden beds that she's been promising me for the past 2 years is almost empty. So I can pop that at the back there, hopefully, and get that area sorted out. If I'm sniffing and snuffing, I think I might be getting a cold. And I just woke up, so potatoes, bulging. I am busting to see what's in this bucket. And as you can see, the leaves are pretty well done. So this one desperately needs to be harvested. And that sounds, oh, okay. Snails. And everything else that goes with it. I hope these potatoes are okay. Oh. The bucket feels nice and warm, actually. Yes, we have creepy crawlies. Spiders, even. Oh, get off. I'm still a girl, alright? I don't like creepy crawlies. And, oh dear. Have a look at that. Not big enough. Okay. We can only but try and see. This pot's been going since May this year. And very wet. Very, very wet. I don't know how I do it, but I always seem to get my bloody finger in the video clip. I don't even want to know what that was. Ew. Ew. See, I did it again. Not looking promising. Go away, spider. And you, oh, that's a worm. Okay, you're friendly. I'll put you over there. And there's another one. If anything, these pots have got good soil. I had a info session for a job. There we go. For a job. Oh, squishy squashy. Bugger. For a job interview earlier this week. This is not looking promising. And yeah, it was to do with a company called Suburban Taxis. Call centre work, which I'm not really too keen on. These are not ready. And yeah, so I'm waiting on word to hear about that. Where are you? I know you're there. Here we go. Decent size. So life could get very busy if I got that job. I got potatoes. That one might have actually been a sweet potato, I think. Still got a bit of life in it too. So yeah, I don't know. See how we play that one out. Would be nice if I got it, the job, but I'm not terribly fussed over it right now. These worms, look at the size of that one. Oh, you're a big boy. So yeah, so see what happens if and when I get that job. I'll let you know about it. First interview I've had all year, actually. It's another worm. Wriggly's. I don't know. I'm enjoying lockdowns and being by myself. It's who I am, actually. It's just I'm the type of person that likes my own company, and yeah. So, but there are some days where I need the money to do what I have to do. So, that's the reality of life. That was my water bottle expanding. Scared the crap out of me. See? I am very jumpy, and I don't know why I do ghost investigations, to tell you the truth. Oh, look at all this soil I've got to use up somehow. I don't know how, but... Oh, that was a shame. That was the biggest one out there. Oh, well. Here we go. So, not to worry. We've still got a few decent sizes. Ooh, tea is looking nice tonight. We don't have any carrots to harvest this time around. Sorry, peoples. I will show you something in a minute. I just got to get a bottle of water. Just saw a white cabbage moth butterfly. Can't believe it's spring already. There we go. Cup of tea to wash that one down. Not a bad haul. I would say that's probably about the same amount as what I got last week. I did put the weight up on the comment section last video, and it was about 900 grams. So these are really decent sizes. So yeah, not too bad. Okay, we still got a few pots of potatoes up there, so we're right for potatoes. I just checked the garlic the other week, and they are doing fabulously, and they are starting to bulb up. They've still got a few more months to go, the garlic. But I want to show you... Oh, we're up to 9 minutes already. Over here, the spinach is just getting totally wrecked and ravaged. But I think I got all the... as one person called them, the little fickers. Fickers. So, mint's totally gone. It did try to make a comeback, but nope. So I'm just checking everything over here. This is the same lot of seeds as that lot over there, but the stems are purple. Go figure on that. thyme is doing beautifully. Come over here. Come over here. This is poorly managed, these strawberries. I've been very well neglecting them. I found these two the other day. So we might, one for me and one for Mum. So I think that's the reality of it. So we're at the 10-minute mark already. So I hope you enjoyed that potato review. And yeah, I will talk to you all next week. I don't know if I still get the that wood removed or whatever, but we shall find out. Okay, everyone. Well, I am going to enjoy this glorious day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.